In the second question, prove that tan 3x is equals to tan 2x plus tan x upon 1 minus tan 2x tan x. To solve this question, we have a formula which is same same in this term, so we will using identity, which is tan a plus b is equals to tan 2x now. This is in the form of a identity, so we will break this tan 3x into tan 2x plus x. Now this is in terms of a and this is in terms of b, so let a is equals to 2x and b is equals to x. Now we have an identity called tan a plus b. The formula for this is tan 2x plus tan x upon 1 minus tan 2x tan x. Now substituting the value in the equation 1, substituting the value of a and b, we will get tan a value is 2x plus b value is x is equals to tan 2x plus tan x upon 1 minus tan 2x tan x. Now this is 2x plus x is 3x. We have already splitted this, so the final answer is tan 3x is equals to tan 2x plus tan x upon 1 minus tan 2x tan x. Hence proved. These statements like hence proved, using identity, we should write here using identity. So these kind of statements are really important in your exams. You will get 1 mark for just writing these sentences.